The world record for the 10,000 meter run has been decreasing steadily since 1940. The function given by r of t equals 30.18 minus 0.06 t estimates the record in minutes t years after 1940. Predict what the record will be in the year 2016. Looking at our function, we see that t is actually the number of years after 1940. So our first step will be to figure out the value of t we need to plug in here. So we need to take 2016 and subtract off 1940 to see how many years after 1940 the year 2016 is. It's 76 years. So we're going to let t be 76. So we're now going to find r at 76. So looking at the function, it's 30.18 minus 0.06 times 76. So typing this in your calculator, you'll see that you'll get a result of 25.62, which means that according to this model, the record will be 25.62 minutes in the year 2016.